Wait.
He's called the cart.
Yay. So you are telling me that you want us to come eat here.
Everybody says it's really good.
How good?
Really good. Even my teachers.
And this is what Wayne and Martha wants to do. I can't see you. You're too dark.
Okay, is this what we're doing?
Alright, I guess so, because it's...
Got shish kebabs. They got a beef and a carne.
They do have a carne. The adventures of food, food, and food.
Look, there's everybody.
Alright. What is this place? Colombia. Hi, I heard you have the best burgers here. How do you make them? Like, my sister told me that she has to come here because you guys make the best burgers. So here we are. So do the best three burgers that you can make for us.
You're lame.
And you want something like this?
No, this is exactly what we're doing. We're going to be smoking. We're going to be smoking it.
They even
This is booger time.
Booger time.
they even have a sign that says choking.
What says choking? Oh wow. Yeah, this better be good. This better be good.
All the tips.
Oh, we even have drinks. And there's people.